Welcome to the latest episode of Masterminds in Maintenance, where we spark fresh ideas in the maintenance and reliability industry. In today's episode, we're diving into the diverse roles within our sector with a special guest, April Johnson from Pepsico. You'll get a first-hand account of her journey in this field and gain insights into the life and responsibilities of a maintenance manager. I'm your host, Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep, and each week I have the pleasure of discussing innovative ideas that are shaking up our industry with our esteemed guests. Today, we're thrilled to have April Johnson, the maintenance manager at PepsiCo, join us. We're continuing our short series, Careers Considered, where we explore the various roles in our industry. We're eager to hear from April about her experience working as a maintenance manager. April shares her journey into the maintenance and reliability field, which started about 15 years ago. She initially worked in the finance department of a company that decided to restructure and outsource all those jobs. After being laid off, she was called back by the maintenance manager who saw potential in her and decided to bring her into maintenance. Since then, April has worked in various roles such as storeroom manager, maintenance planner, maintenance supervisor, and has been involved in CMMS rollouts and integrations over regions and companies. April's role as a maintenance manager involves a lot of coordination and collaboration. She likens it to being an orchestra conductor, where she is responsible for timing everyone in. Maintenance managers also deal with budgets, overtime, setting priorities, finding resources, scheduling, working with production and quality teams, and coaching and developing their team. April emphasizes that being a maintenance manager requires a mix of hard and soft skills. It's not just about having mechanical and electrical aptitude, but also about having higher-level troubleshooting skills, being process-oriented, and having strong problem-solving skills. Soft skills such as time management and communication skills are also crucial. When it comes to measuring success as a maintenance manager, April believes it's important to align your work with the company's objectives. She advises maintenance managers to focus on building two skills, people skills and problem-solving skills. She loves her role as a maintenance manager because of the amazing people she works with and the challenging work that keeps her engaged. If you want to connect with April and follow her journey, you can find her on LinkedIn as April C. Johnson or email her at april.johnson47@yahoo.com. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Masterminds in Maintenance. We've learned about the diverse roles in maintenance, the importance of both hard and soft skills, and the value of aligning your work with your company's objectives. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the maintenance and reliability industry. To learn more about how Upkeep can help your team, visit us at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more exciting episodes.